What's up, guys? Happy New Year. 2026, here we are, heading into it. Hope you have your goals. I just shot a commercial ad that we're going to be running throughout January. Tried to use my squeegee here to kind of catch people's attention, and I figured use this as my intro to my YouTube. So, with that said, let's talk a little bit about some 2026 goals, where we're headed, and how I think you could have a great year if you put your head together. I'm a sucker for New Year's. Why not, right? Like, why not be excited about a new year? Clean slate. Way to get better at things that you want to get better at. Set some new goals, some new objectives, whether it's in your business, your family, your relationships, your finances, blah, all the above. So, let's talk about it. All right, I'm about to dial up some legs. Pretty excited about it because it is January 7th and my fitness regimen has been really strong. A couple reasons for that, as I want to talk about goals, is I've got my own event that I want to throw in May, which is going to be a kind of camping, hybrid running adventure, right? I'll talk more about that. And then in Oklahoma City, we have the OKC Memorial Marathon on April 26th. I have a hiking trip in July in Idaho. It's a 5-day hiking trip. And then if I can, somewhere in there, I want to fit another High Rocks event. Christmas light season, I always kind of slack on my exercise, my diet, all the above. I'm feeling really locked in. I'm already at almost 30 miles ran for 2026. So that's pretty cool. Right now, I'm going to do legs. It's kind of technically my first leg workout. This Saturday, having my first Meantime meetup of the year. So had a handful of them last year. Going to try to do 2 or 3 a month this year. And so really excited about that. So yeah, I'm feeling really good about where the business is and for where we're going to go in 2026. Wyatt kind of opened my eyes, that's my marketing guy, to what can happen when you have the right type of marketing in place. Up until then, honestly, it's been boots on the ground marketing, just good old fashioned, door hangers, organic socials, getting strong referrals, things like that, me emailing companies when I'd pass big buildings. But now, Wyatt's actually really targeting our marketing. And so I'm seeing a huge difference because every year, other than 2025, after Christmas lights ended, right? Like December 5th or whatever, I would just stop trying to get business because I was like, it's December, I don't really feel like it, whatever. Well, now I was a little bit more motivated. I wanted to see if we could market and get some window cleaning jobs. B, I had guys that needed to keep getting paid to work. So we made some specifically targeted ads for really strong areas and ended up getting some really great jobs that all, I believe, turned into recurring jobs. So quarterly and semi-annual jobs. So that's amazing because not only did we make money right up till Christmas Eve, literally the last day we worked was December 23rd, we now have those jobs scheduled again over and over in 2026. So really exciting. So yeah, I just really feel like, to be honest, to be really optimistic, I think I'm going to double my business. I think I'm going to double the revenue this year because of so much of our marketing efforts, but also the way that I use Jobber and how it helps me systematize my business. And I'll talk more about them in another video, but getting a lot of things organized within my business, which I feel like has taken me a long time to do. So excited about my business and making more revenue there. Excited about physical health goals. And then I'm excited about other things that I've tried really hard to figure out how to make happen. And now again, it's just compound effect. Everything in my life that is working is the compound effect. It's just not giving up, not quitting, and having enough time and enough reps put into it. And now I'm seeing hey, I'm getting really close and pretty much exactly where I'm at, right? You guys know my theme is in the meantime. Life happens in the meantime, so let's enjoy the here while we're working to get there. And I feel like I'm starting to reap some of the rewards and some of the fruits of the things I've planted in the past. And one of those being the Timmy Riggs in the meantime kind of brand, right? The umbrella of what I want to pursue in terms of using YouTube and social media and being, someone that wants to create more while also running a business and kind of just proving a little bit. Man, I always forget about that laser that helps me figure out where to park my car. Proving that like you can do all those things and still do this, I guess. I don't know. I guess, or maybe I'm just trying to prove it to myself. But with that said, I've got the meetup coming up, and it's always about, getting guys together, getting them excited about life, kind of shaking off the rust of just like living in the matrix, right? Just kind of, like coasting through life, instead trying to shake it up and trying to make sure it's tangible. And so in May, that is the whole point of throwing an event, a camping trip where we get out for 3 days. And the middle day is going to be a all day kind of like 8 to 4 p.m. How many laps can you get of the lap that we make on some land that I'm going to be using? And so basically it's just going to be, hey, how many laps can you get? How many new friends can you make? Do you want to run? Do you want to walk? Whatever. We're going to have food. We're going to have ice baths. We're going to have sauna tents. And it's just going to be like a camping trip. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to talk more about that. But like, those are things that just have me feeling really motivated. And, I don't know how much I've talked about it on YouTube, but I spent a lot of time when it comes to the Timmy Riggs Meantime brand talking about mind, money, movement. It's in the headline of my YouTube channel. But I actually think I'm going to switch it in specific order: movement, it'd be this way: movement, mindset, momentum. It's not that I don't like talking about money. I just don't really talk about it that much other than when it comes to business stuff. So I feel like the best way to have a good, healthy mindset, good, healthy momentum in life is just by moving, just taking action. I mean, that's literally why New Year's Eve gets so many people excited, because it's a reminder to take action. And so with that said, I'm taking action. I'm throwing an event. I'm trying to build my business. But anyway, connected to that, actually, I'm excited because I just ordered a sauna. And so I got a sweat tent sauna coming. It'll be here Friday. I'm excited. I'll make a video about that. But my goal, I don't know if I'll do every day, but my goal is definitely document way more. So I am trying to live that strategy out in all my socials, including here on YouTube. Yes, I like when I can help and share about business, but also just want to start kind of documenting everything I'm doing. My life is broad. There's a lot of things I'm interested in, including making YouTube videos. Because I get stoked when one of you guys DMs me on Instagram and says, hey, keep doing what you're doing. You're inspiring me. Thanks. Keep going. Or you comment that on YouTube. Like, that's awesome. That gets me fired up. Or like my guy Wyatt today texted me, got another consultation on the books. I think he's up to like 5 or 6 of you who have watched my business content, who have gone and are using him to help with your marketing. We're just normal guys. We're all trying to figure it out. So I think it's cool when we can work together and use the social media stuff to our advantage. So with that said, I'm gonna hit this leg workout and I will update you on when I get my sauna tent, because that's gonna be cool. Also, as far as business goes, I'm gonna drop a new business video tomorrow. I'm gonna talk about ways that I am saving thousands of dollars in my business, which ultimately then means thousands of dollars is staying in my pocket. And so that'll be tomorrow. Keep your eyes peeled. I'm gonna hit this. And in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.